Okay, let's graph some derivatives. Okay, so we have f of x. You should have your steps in front of you that we wrote down. Hopefully, you watched the other video too. So our first thing, starting at 1, let's find where the tangent line is horizontal. So we have there, we have there. So x-intercept, x-intercept. Then we draw our vertical lines. Then we shade. So from -infinity to -5, our function is increasing. It's going upward, so positive tangent slopes of the tangent line. From -5 to 2, function's decreasing, so negative tangent line slopes, negative derivatives. And from 2 to infinity, it looks like our function is increasing, so positive slopes. So now, if we graph our derivative, we know we're going to start up here somewhere in the positive, cross through there, go back up, something like that, kind of, right? I know, my pictures are terrible, so yours can be too, but that is essentially what the derivative graph looks like. You don't need to be more exact than this. For number 2, start out the same way. Look for our x-intercepts. So we have here, let's say that was at -10, that seems better. Let's say here, here at -6, here at -2, yeah, that'll work. And then here at 2, again, these don't have to be exact, fortunately, huh? And here at 6, and here at 10. Okay, now we draw our vertical lines through all of those. Okay, so now we shade, because we don't have any cusps, we really don't have anything else going on. So from -10 to -5, decreasing negative derivative, then it increases, positive derivative, decreases, negative derivative, and it just goes back and forth. So if we want to graph our derivative, we really just have to follow our blue spots, right? So we start here, we go up, and we go down, and we go up, and we go down. And it looks like over here we'd probably go up again, maybe over here we go up again, but we didn't have that part of the graph. Okay, for this next one, let's see, horizontal. So there's our x-intercept. Draw a vertical line. Now I see a cusp. Draw a vertical line. And then we can shade. So -infinity to 2, that's increasing. So we have a positive slope. You don't need to shade here. If you just know it's a line, that's fine, but you can shade. From 2 to 4, decreasing, negative slope. And then 4 to infinity, it's a positive slope. Okay, so for the derivative graph, we'll start over here. We know it's positive. I guess we can technically figure out the slope, right? It looks like up to, over to, it looks like the slope is 1. So we'll just draw a horizontal line at 1 till we hit our cusp, and then we make a hole. Pick up your pencil, or stylus in my case, start again in the next region. You know it's down here somewhere, okay? I don't know too much else, but I do know that I'm going to go through this blue part and end up there. And there's our derivative graph. So the fourth one is like a particularly challenging one. I'll post the key and you can work on it on your own, but otherwise just do the independent practice.